If you want to edit lock screen clock on Redmi 15, all you have to do is open settings. Now, in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then go to personalization. And we're gonna go to the lock screen by tapping on it over here. And you can either go and customize the current lock screen, or you can start by choosing any of these presets. As you can see, we have different lock screen clocks as well that we can go for. But in my case, I'm just gonna choose this one. So let's go and customize. And over here, we need to tap on this section. And then once again, where we have time. And now we can choose a different font. So as you can see, we have a couple of different fonts that we can choose. Over here, we have first, second, and third line, which can be selected over here. So you can either have a digital clock, full one, or you can split into halves. So you can, for example, set hours over here, and then on the second line, we can go for minutes. So we can have something like this, let's say. Of course, you can also change it a little bit. You can have pretty much anything that you can see over here that you can find. Lots of different options to go for. And some additional options here as well. So for example, I'm gonna pick date over here. So now it looks like this. And remember that you can also go to font effects in order to choose a different color. So let's say I can pick a blue, green, yellow, and so on and so forth. So that's all. Once you made your changes, press apply in the top right corner, like this, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.